This video found you because you've always thought about dyeing your hair red, and I'm here today to help you figure out if you should do it or not. If your skin tone fits into one of these categories, red would look amazing on you. And if you're wondering what sort of red, Brad, there's so many reds to choose from. Well, I'm glad you asked, because XMONDO has the perfect red to fit any skin tone. It is called Super Red, and it is super fucking red. It is not too cool and it is not too warm. It is right in the middle. It looks fiery and amazing on every single person I've ever seen it on. Let me show you just how sick it is. To apply XMONDO color, open the jar, just take a scoop out with your hands, put some gloves on though, and work on small sections at a time, working from the bottom up. Make sure you apply this color to clean, dry hair. Super important. We really want to distribute that color evenly and thickly. Thick. Use your fingers to distribute onto every single hair strand, ensuring that every single piece is covered. Once that's all applied, wrap the hair into a bun. That will process for 20 minutes. Once it's done processing, rinse your hair with cool water until the water runs clear. Then blow dry as usual. And this is Super Red. It is so rich and vibrant, guys. Oh my god, I could cry how stunning it is. The amount of depth this color has with one single layer over blonde hair is insane. Like, what? That's unreal. I'm obsessed with this shade. It looks good on literally everybody's skin tone. You can shop this shade and 7 others at Sally Beauty now.